This is a tool, and this is its shed. This tool shed holds everything you need to make anything. It's got a drill, a jigsaw, a circular saw, a work light, a hot wire foam cutter, a table saw, a scroll saw, a table foam cutter, a table sander, and a mini lathe. This is Dewar, and it also has all of those things. You're saying to yourself, what? You're thinking this is BS. Ain't no way this box holds 12 different tools. Well, the only BS here is this brilliant stuff. Dewar is a toolbox that's basically a tool shed in a box. It has all these tools, yet it easily fits on a shelf. You ever try fitting a tool shed on a shelf? It ain't easy. Dewar is 7 years in the making. Every detail was examined and no corners were cut in order to make the best tools, while keeping the entire system as compact as possible. It's so good, I'm gonna name my son Dewar. And he's 19. Meet my cousin Frank. He lives in a nice home with no room for a tool shed, yet he loves fixing and creating things. He used Dewar to create this table he now works on with Dewar. That's so Inception. It's a great movie. Everything in Dewar starts with the Unigrip. That's the one handle for all the tools. You attach the drill, and you have an excellent drill with a hammer function. Take off the drill, put on the jigsaw, and you have a jigsaw with orbital cutting action, capable of doing everything a jigsaw needs to do, like cutting curved lines in a piece of wood or in a metal sheet. It's a great jigsaw. Then there's the circular saw, strong enough to cut anything. Now I want to switch to drill again? No problem. Here's drill. Now circular saw, now jigsaw. Yeah, you look badass, cousin. Deborah should have never left you. But a tool shed is not just the tools hanging on a wall. It's also the table for all the table tools. So how does Dewar become all that? Well, is your mind a trumpet? Because I'm about to blow it. Look, in a second, Dewar turns into a work table. You just mount the tools under the stainless steel armored lid, then you form the table functions, and voila. Well, I apologize for saying it'd only take 1 second. It took 15 seconds. I hate lying. The Dewar table has everything a tool table needs. It's made of stainless steel and a nylon fiberglass tabletop. Has a protractor for perfect angles, and a table saw shield for safety, so you don't end up like my uncle, Three-Finger Willie. Hi, Three, Willie. Even when using the table, Dewar doesn't need a lot of space. This is Linda. She's a maker with a small studio. Dewar is perfect for her, but not just because of its size. Dewar's tools are the only tools that can be powered by either a battery or an outlet using Dewar's AC-DC converter. So it works even if there's no electricity around. Yep, with Dewar you can create, fix, and build anything, no matter where you live. It's portable, so you can also take it with you wherever you go. Can you move a tool shed around like that? No, you can't. I tried. Now we're at my friend David's home. He's using Dewar's lathe wood designer for a science project with his son. Dewar has so many extra bits, and all the tools neatly fold into this fold-a-bag. It's so easy, he even lets his son help. That's good parenting, Dave. You can't even tell he's adopted. Okay, let's talk quality. But first, a transition. That's some real quality work, you guys. Speaking of quality, Dewar is designed and tested by more than 20 engineers and veterans of the power tool industry, so you can be sure that the transformation doesn't take away from the durability and power of the power tools. Bottom line, how much does this bad boy cost? What? No, not yet. How much would you pay for a drill, plus a circular saw, plus a jigsaw, plus a work light, plus a hot wire foam cutter, plus a drill press, plus a table saw, plus a scroll saw, plus a lantern, plus a table foam cutter, plus a table sander, and a mini lathe? It's only $4.99. Now. What? I know. So if you want a set of quality tools, that's basically a whole tool shed in a small, portable box, get Dewar. What's that, neighbor? You need help fixing something? No problem. Yeah. Hey Frank, can you help my neighbor out? There you go. He's such a great guy.